Hey guys, what's up? It's a Ryder here, and today I'm going to be talking about new channels, updates, the time I got my 4th grade substitute fired, and my first ladder trick shot. So let's get into it. So the update video is pretty much going to be just about my new channel. So what it is a new gaming channel. So it should be pretty cool. I don't know what it's going to be called yet, but on my next video I will leave a description, or I will leave a link in the description. But yeah, so it's going to be all pretty much Call of Duty games. It's maybe Minecraft, I don't know. I kind of got out of that game. But anyways, it's going to be Call of Duty trick shotting and montages, funny moments, gameplay, all that stuff. Maybe even some commentary. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much the whole new channel sort of thing. Also, the time I got my 4th grade teacher fired, or substitute, whatever you want to call her. So, it was 4th grade. If you guys don't know, I got held back last year. I should be in 6th, but I'm in the 5th again, but it's all cool. But anyways, what happened was I was in the 4th grade, and all my friends, we were in clubs. I don't know if your school does these, but we were in art club, and we had to substitute because our teacher was feeling pretty sick. And what me and my friends were doing was we were making like feel better cards and all that stuff. But anyways, our teacher, substitute, whatever you want to call it, was pretty like rude, you could call it. She wasn't very polite is what I'm trying to say. I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but she was very unpolite, if that's even a word. But yeah, so what happened was we were doing all that stuff, and then she brings her kids up there all the time on their iPads and stuff, but her kids were pretty annoying. They're a little bit younger. The sister was younger and the brother was older, and they're all being pretty annoying, and they kept on like bugging us and messing us up, and we couldn't really focus because they would scream in class. Like, I don't know where they'd just like scream at the top of their lungs. It's pretty weird. But anyways, I addressed her if she could tell her kids to be a little bit like less annoying. I didn't say that in particular, but I addressed her about her kids being a little bit too loud and doing these things that they shouldn't. But anyways, she told me that I have no right to tell her kids what to do. So we argued about that for a while, and then it came to a point where she grabbed my face. Well, she like grabbed me by the ear, and whenever she grabbed me by the ear, she sort of like tugged on it and then pushed my face away. She demonstrated in front of the whole class what happens whenever you talk back for me, because we were leaving, we were all gone, and she grabbed my ear and said, "Everyone look, this is what happens whenever you don't mind." But anyways, I thought that was pretty funny. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but I thought that was pretty funny. And then after that happened, my ear was sort of red, and all my friends and I went to go address the principal about this teacher grabbing on my face, because she can't really do that, sort of against the law. But anyways, we went and addressed my principal, and the principal called her up there. We talked about everything. She tried to lie and say never on God would she do that, so that was pretty messed up. And then whenever my mom came up there, stuff got a little bit sort of, you could say, heavy. But we addressed her, and we got her fired because she can't be grabbing up on me and telling me that I need to mind her and obey her. But anyways, so yeah, that happened. And now let's talk about my first ever ladder trick shot. It was on Tuesday, I'm pretty sure. Tuesday 2012. It's September something. But anyways, what happened was me and my friend what's my name? But anyways, me and my friends were, my friend Elite Rays, we were just trying to hit some trick shots on bots. We set them up on Capture the Flag and all that stuff. Pretty fun day. And then all of a sudden, I climb up the ladder. I'll put this at the end of the video. It was pretty sick. But anyways, I come up and then I spin around and straight up switch weapons and then deploy my C4 and then shoot one of the bots. But it was pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie, I loved it. It was so fun. I was pretty stoked on it for a couple of days. But yeah, that happened. It was pretty sick. I was really happy with it, so yeah. And then a couple of days after that, me and my friend, what's his name, Obey Rays, we were all in the lobby, and he asked me about the trick shot thing, the ladder trick shot, and we all went in theater mode, and we all watched my trick shot, and then he was like, hey man, that's pretty good, we're gonna put you in the montage. So check out Rays Gaming, pretty sick guys. They now have left Rays Clan and made a new clan called Oma Dynasty, which is pretty cool. I'll leave a link to that. And then, but anyways, I got in the montage, and I was I was more stoked than I've ever been about doing something, because it looks so nice. Like, the way he edited it looks so nice. But anyways, yeah, pretty much that's what happened. This is a nice little line right here. Let me get this. Like, I kept on switching weapons and picking up people's weapons. If I could talk right. I think it's here. But anyways, guys, yeah, that's pretty much my first ladder trick shot and my teacher doing stuff and the update. But anyways, about the update, I can't stop saying but anyways. Like, okay, but the update sort of thing is gonna be super nice. I can't wait until I can actually hit some stuff like that. For my gaming montage, this will be going up on the gaming channel. This will go on the gaming channel too. I can't wait until my new gaming channel comes out. You guys should definitely subscribe to it. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and peace.